Yo, what's up everybody? You miss Winnie and Winnie is with me here today. Here we go. Sayang, how you been?
Wow, it has been 1 month since Damian away, so now we are back. Damian is back in Bali and I also back with Damian. Today, yesterday Damian was in Canggu, so today we are going to Ubud. As you know that the two most visited places in Bali, either in Canggu or in Ubud. So let's show you how it is nowadays.
Let's go, let's have a look.
So how is the weather like today on Ubud? So hot, sunny, traffic everywhere. So nothing is changing, honey, in Ubud.
Actually, nothing has changed, yeah? Not that much, right?
Not that much, and you see as the traffic behind has never ever changed since the tourism opening in Bali. So today I will show you how it is. For those of you who already missed Ubud video, this is for you.
As Winnie said, pretty same thing. Loud bikes, tourists walking around, and the loud bikes. Okay, let's go into the direction. There's the Ubud King Palace and everything, the main center, the little bit of the tourist group here, and let's focus on the art market, the new one right now, and let's see what is on the other side. And if you ask me right now, Damian, have you missed this loud bikes in Bali? No, they are even annoyed more than before. So no, definitely no.
Taxi already calling you.
Oh, and taxi already calling me already. I just even didn't notice that. Sorry, mate. I also some tourists here, but mostly Korean, Japanese, mostly Asian in general. But yeah, at least something is going on. So that's the outside of the market. This is like a drop-off zone. This car is from some hotel or something. Let's get inside the market a little bit, have a look what's cracking. Do they have any new stuff here? I don't think so. Actually, something is new, different. Bottle openers as they were, and they gonna be for another 50 years. The same bags, the same stuff, actually. Yeah, same delivery, same bags, same rattan bags, pretty the same stuff. But at least there are some people around, and at least they have a nice organized the new market. So yeah, on the outside looks like this one. Most of the shops are also on the street open. There's some groups of the tourists, as I said, but mostly Asian tourists actually. With the bigger groups, they are Asian tourists, obviously. This one actually was Chinese for the first time. I see, that's something new. And there is the old market over there. People walking everywhere, traffic everywhere, restaurants and the shops everywhere. What I gonna tell you? The same stuff. Something is here is going on. This guy is carrying the stuff. Some little traffic congestion with the tourists, bikes parking everywhere, cars everywhere, constructions everywhere, as this one as well. So basically this is it. We are going in the direction of Jalan Goutama. All the shops are open, as I mentioned. Taxi drivers, the sellers on the street, taxi drivers, people strolling around. Yeah, and this is no entrance zone, but people driving anyway. But the motorbikes are allowed, just no car entry. And this is the Jalan Goutama. It's just like walking streets with the motorbikes strolling around. What a nice, I laugh. Walking streets with motorbike, right?
Welcome to Bali, sir.
Welcome to Bali. The heaven in the bowl, I think that's the yogurt or something. Achai bowls, actually some restaurant, choro sushi. Overall, everything is like it was. Not really much has changed. However, I have a slight feeling it's slightly quieter than 2 months ago. Considering as this is Saturday when we are filming it and it's already afternoon, feels a little bit less people. But maybe just only here, perhaps. Actually, it's more cozy right now here, right? Yeah, I think we both can agree. It feels on this, at least on here, slightly quieter. Like, yeah, that's maybe changes. But like I remember, I told you that the airport was empty actually when I arrived 3 days ago.
It's just like getting a low season nowadays. But this month is actually October, right?
Yeah.
Seems like
overall that was the beginning of the low season already, so that made somehow sense. It's Halloween is actually, that's the Halloween weekend actually as well. It's supposed to be busy, but yeah, this is it.
It has been 1 month that I didn't come to Ubud since Damian was away to go to Poland and go to Canada. I was hoping that, you know, the tourism here is like packed. Like when the time that Damian still here and we recorded the, you know, the video how is Ubud, especially Jalan Goutama street. But it seems like, yeah, I think that the number of tourists who coming to Bali nowadays is slowly getting lower, yeah, Hania, since like
so.
the time whenever you come to Bali and you showing that how is arrival time. It's just like...
That was not just the coincidence, that was
No.
the real thing, actually.
The real thing.
It was
It's
just
like,
empty. Either way, this is the already end of Jalan Goutama. That's the name of the businesses, and it's actually at the front of the Golden Monkey. That's the Chinese restaurant. Also, you can go inside of the continuation of the little gang. The big bus is coming, but I don't know who is inside, or actually who is he going, because it's empty right now. That's the nice boutique. That's the Ubud vibe in general, in case if you somehow don't know. And we are going back to Jalan Monkey Forest, show you a little bit around. It's also sunset time. After that, there is no big problem because Bali remains and Ubud remains pretty the same. With the difference, loud bus. For the change, loud bus, not the loud bike. As normally last time the street was busy and crowded, now it's just simply pretty quiet in Ubud, even in Ubud. Well, at least on these smaller streets, because obviously the Art Central Market and Jalan Monkey Forest remain pretty busy like it was. So basically I could say not much has changed. Next to this Pina Colada building, the pink one, there is the other entrance to the Art Market, basically, but also not that much is going on. However, no, it's not that bad. More people in the market. The one thing is that as next to Jalan Monkey Forest, where was the stadium, there is no more stadium. There is definitely just the parking lot, obviously. They changed it a lot, which is good and bad thing. Good thing is as all of those cars have a room to park somewhere. Bad thing is as the boys who are playing football, they have no room to play the football. But at least their parents and everybody else have a place to park their motorbikes and cars. So win-win, or maybe not. Let me know, what do you think? El Dogo! And also one thing what didn't change for sure 100% is that this is very hot. That's unbelievable, just walking around the Ubud Art Market and everything, and Jalan Goutama, as you should know if you're familiar with Bali. And yeah, it's very hot. I think everybody knows I'm feeling hot, but this one will never change here. Sayang, are you hungry, yeah?
let's have a dinner.
Where? Sami Shami?
Yeah. Let's go to the one warung.
Okay, this is the place where you sit like facing the street, stuff like this one. Okay, let's go. I need to take a break as well. Gonna get some beer or something. I shouldn't say that word, rather. Either way, it's so hot, I really need to take a breath. The traffic on Jalan Monkey Forest is okay, it's not bad, but it's not as that busy as it used to be. And also what is more interesting is the restaurant where we were here so many times in the past years actually. Always was so busy, and having seat where we're having right now, it was so rare. But now it seems empty actually, only one couple behind me sitting, so something has changed actually. It's not 100% the same like it was 2 months ago.
Only the traffic is still the same.
Well, it's even lower a little bit, but yeah, still can say it's pretty the same actually. It can be messed up anyways.
Because it was so hot outside, so we just decided to move to the different places, and this is what I ordered, nasi goreng pork belly. My favorite one.
Who else can show you the food like this one, huh?
Makan cantik. Smudge nego, selamat makan.
Smudge nego. Looks good for
So, yeah.
sure. Winnie got her food, I got my drink, feeling a little bit better, but still hot. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the Jalan Monkey Forest at the end of the video. Basically, actually after the sunset, I'm gonna tell you the traffic is bad, so maybe actually it's the same like it was. Maybe I was just half hour earlier today than last time, maybe something like that. Probably people going to Monkey Forest now a little bit later than last time or something like that. Either way, the traffic situation is back. Yeah, motorbikes driving everywhere, people walking everywhere, you know, regular stuff, basically. It was maybe just the gap when it was quiet, or maybe just everybody actually literally going to Jalan Monkey Forest and to the corner where is the King Palace, because maybe actually that's the only street where it's busy actually, you know what I mean? Like everybody just going to the same location, to the same spot. But at least here is busy. And basically Ubud is Ubud. That's the lifestyle. Whenever you come to Ubud, enjoy, explore Bali, but in Ubud you can expect something like this one. And still, if you remember, maybe perhaps the times when the monkeys and the kids was playing on the cables. I mean, monkeys were playing on the cables and kids playing football on the street, and then nobody was there. Those times are gone, that's for sure, at least, because that was very depressing time. Now it's just simply traffic, but that's okay, that's life. That's already very central location, where's the grandpas and everything. As you can see, situation, there's some new place here actually, but I don't know if it's still open or not. I think there was the construction of something, but I don't know what they actually opened here. Doesn't really matter, but this is already the central location. So if you're coming in the nearest future, you know what to expect. If you been recently in Bali, you can share your experience. Yo, what's up? Sayang, seems like you never seen Balinese dance in your life, lah. Don't they teach you at school? And that's the Pasar Ubud, which is the market in Ubud. Basically, that's what you can expect in Ubud in 2023, end of October, and probably that's gonna look like. And it's no rain yet, but the sky is a little bit dark, but the dark because of the rubbish are burning in Pasar. I don't know if you know that. But
and also the traffic pollution is getting worse and worse. It's not cloudy, almost going to rain. No, never rain in Bali recently, but it's just like the traffic pollution and also rubbish.
Yeah, that's true. Rubbish burn and the traffic pollution. You know, the big skipyard next to the airport, basically. If you don't know, you can just Google about that. I'm not gonna go there. I don't wanna get poisoned by the toxic stuff, but this is it. And that's the central location actually.
Alright, I think that's all our video today from Ubud. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!
Bye!